Hi friends, so today I'm going to do unboxing of this pack which I just received, and it is sent by Smytten, and this is one site. You can download the app as well. So we are going to do unboxing of this. So these are all trial package. When you log into that app, you get 6 trial points basically, with which you can buy some products. So this is first product, aloe vera gel, and it's costing 180 rupees, and I got it in one trial point for free. This is my first product, and this beautiful bottle is my second product. It is a perfume, Love Forever. Small bottle, small cute bottle. I can keep it in my bag. It's just 10 ml and fine fragrance mist. Beautiful. And this is my second product. What else have I got? And this is pore refining tonic. You can choose from the product. So I have chosen all these. There were different products from Mama Earth, all trial packages, small packages. So this is just herbs, pomegranate, mandarin, pore refining tonic. Beautiful. I have huge expectations from it, and if I like it, I will order a big pack for sure. So this one is my third product. And then comes this nail paint I wanted to have, Bonjour Paris, one stroke nail lacquer. So this was costing 95 rupees, and I got it for free in one trial point. So basically when you log into that app, you get 6 trial points. So with that you can take up to 6 products. So this is a Live It Up hangover shield. Basically it's a capsule. This is mainly for detoxifying your body. So this is for our liver. So I wanted to try this. How many capsules are there? Oh, so written 2 capsules before your first drink or as directed by. But I'm not taking it for that. Basically, I want to try liver detoxification. So why not try this? Let's see how many capsules are there. So all these products, if I find them good, I am going to order them. So only 2 capsules are there. So why not give it a try, right? I love to try different new products. So I will go for all this. How much it's costing? I don't know how much it's costing. Not for sale, it's written. So these are 5 products. I got one more or not? Yes, this is a free bag, Smytten bag, which I got, costing $4.99. You can keep your accessories in this. Open it and show it to you. bag, travel pouch or makeup pouch, you can say. Small makeup things you can keep in this and keep in your bag, right? No, this is not all, guys. Yeah, I told you 6 products. I got 6 products. So this is one more, and it is Sheer Secret Natural Toning Mist. So there were many shampoos and conditioner and so many things were there. Many creams, and then there was vitamin C serum. So I chose these things, these 6 items, these 6 things I chose. You can choose what you wish for, right? So I didn't wanted to experiment with any of the creams or shampoos. I've got straightening done, so I can't use any other shampoo or conditioner, and I can't use any product on my hair. And I am having some acne issue right now, so I can't go for any face wash, any soap, anything like that. So I ordered these safe items, this aloe vera gel, this perfume, and these 2 are for my pore refining mist, and this one for my nail, black color. I love black color nail paint. I'll give it a try, and detoxifying thing. So let's see. I'll give you a review about them, and obviously if I like them, I'm gonna buy the big pack from the site. And you should go ahead and order your these trial items from Smytten. Thank you.